Okay John, here's my video using the Xbox Media Center software. It's available for all platforms, Apple, PC, Xbox, Linux, and it's running off my PC there that's connected up to the telly at the top there. There's a little Wi-Fi adapter. It's not fantastic but it works, so it's good enough for me. It's obviously the PC's not as quiet as your PC, so which is a bit of a shame, but these things can't be helped. Now I've just come a little bit closer here, so we've gone into the Xbox Media Center and you've got your various different sections there. You've got videos, and you've got music, pictures, weather, scripts and settings. So we go back to videos at the top. Videos, obviously any videos that you've added there to a source, as well as plugins or scripts as they're referred to here. Music, self-explanatory. Pictures, weather is a built-in option, so that just displays the weather for a particular option, and in Birmingham today it says that there's light rain and showers, which is pretty much the truth, I think. Scripts, any little scripts that you've got installed, it allows Python scripting. So one of the scripts I use is Apple Trailers, so I can go to apple.com/trailers, but through the Xbox Media Center front end, and view all the trailers. And you can also set the trailers up to play before you watch a video, so a little bit like the cinema. And also along the bottom there you can see a RSS feed, which just informs you about new settings and obviously new information about the Xbox Media software. Probably is editable to add more feeds if you wish. So I'll just take you through to the video. So this is the standard view that you'll see from most of the software there. On the left hand side there you've just got like your view settings, and in the middle there you've got what are defined as sources. So I've got a section there called film and TV, so they're two different folders, and you can actually map multiple locations to a single entry. The film in there actually searches for, it's one location, but the TV actually searches locally on my PC and also on my NAS as well. And as you can see at the top there, the BBC iPlayer content is also viewable. So now so if we go into there, so there's a pause while it grabs the information. And so you can go on and deeper, and basically it's the same information that's available from the BBC iPlayer website. You can go into any of your channels or search all of the stuff from A to Z and start playing. So if we go back, ooh, it's a single click. So the film section here, this will display all my list of films. So here's obviously a selection of the films, and one of the really cool features is obviously you get the artwork there on the side, and you can I think you can sort it by a various sort of way. So name, size, date, file. If you go view as a list, so you can have thumbnails, wide icons, DVD thumbs, or a full list. I just prefer the list option so I can have the information there on the side. And one of the cool things that I was telling you about is you can right click on something and get movie information, and then what it does is it actually grabs all the movie information that's available, a little overview. And this is because each folder that I showed you at the beginning, you can define the content, and for content such as film, I'll show you that you can actually choose a option. You can actually change a different thumb as well. Don't know if that will work. Yeah, okay, we'll have that as a thumbnail instead. So that's going to just download that thumbnail and apply that to the that because that's actually quite a good one. I don't know what other options there are for the thumb. Probably actually that one's better. And if we come back, that's now set the thumb for that content. And obviously there's various sorts of stuff there. So if we go back a moment, we go back into videos, to do that. So there, if you go film and you go set content there, you can actually choose as an option your film or your movies. Mine actually goes to IMDb as an option. That's the defined option there. Despite the porn seems to be a very popular choice, followed by Asian films and so on and so forth. These are all options that you can tell it to run an automated scan at the startup, to scan recursively, so just in case there's folders within folders, which is quite likely, and it'll just do a scan for new content. Probably won't find anything, although it'll flash that up. The TV one here, same sort of information there. So if we go, oh, we can't. That's just doing. If we just tell it to stop scanning for the moment. If we go into the TV, there you go. So same sort of thing. You've got your information there, numbers. That one's locally on my PC, and obviously these are on my NAS. Flight of the Concords. If we get TV show information, unfortunately the TV show information is not as good as the film information, so I may have to change that at some point. So let's just try. What should we do? We should do a Flight of the Concords. So obviously video list there, and choose one. And what it does then is it will start streaming it. And it will start playing it there. Now this one's obviously stretched for all the films, not always the case. We can do maybe controls there, so you can fast forward it a little bit, and then if we just stop that, and then did it come back in? Is it this one? Ah. You can, there's actually an option to resume playback from where you were. So this is the start of I think episode 5, so if we just fast forward that. So that's music, pretty much the same. You've got an iTunes library there, the BBC iPlayer radio or music, one of the sections I use. Same sort of thing, just list the contents and then you can play it straight away. Pictures, this one's going to take a while because this is basically the content of my pictures folder on my NAS, and there is a lot of pictures to download. And this sort of like does the same, so it does a little view there, shows you the content of some of the pictures. So if we go there, I think, and that's pretty much it, John. You can see that it's quite a nice front end there. All looks pretty good, and I think you should definitely consider giving this a run on your Xbox PC. I think you'll find that it's actually probably pretty good, and will definitely improve the way in which you access all your content.